Okay, this is going to be part one of how to add paint. And they use the term paint in Revit, but it actually applies to any sort of finish that you want to put on the surface. So that could be paint, wallpaper, tile, carpet, anything you want to put on the surface, including your shingles, concrete, anything that's on the surface. Do notice that this is not changing the structure. For instance, the interior of our wall is still going to have the same structure we put in it. This doesn't change that. This literally puts on just an overlay on the outside. So in order to first, Revit does not have all the different paints already loaded into it that we might possibly want. So this part one, I'm going to show you how to do that. You go to Manage, and under Manage there's Materials. This is where we're going to create the materials that we're going to use to paint or carpet or tile or whatever we want to do. And I'm going to show you how quick this works. So once I'm in here, this has the defaults in here, and there are not very many defaulted already. So we're going to want to add some more. I'm going to click right here for Create New Material. Maybe I don't know what I want yet. I'm going to do a little bit of browsing. I know that I'm going to add a carpet, so I'm going to go ahead and name it, but you can name it after. Now to see your options, you click right here on Open Browser. Now one, you can use the search tool and just search for carpet. I could do that. And it pops it up here. I could also not do that. And it looked like this when I first started. If you click here under Appearance Library, it gives you this whole option here. Floor coloring, wall coloring, etc. So you can also use this. For flooring, it gives me carpets that I can then see all these. They don't have the word carpet in them, so they didn't pull up a second ago with what I was looking for. So let me do this one. This is the one I like. To add it to my carpet that's over here, I click on this little thing here. And now, if I close this window, you'll see it popped up over here. If I hadn't changed the name already, I'd want to go back to Identify and change the name so it popped up right over here. Apply. Now I'm going to make another one. Create a new material. I want to do wallpaper. I might want to wallpaper my walls. Click here to get the material. And I'm going to choose wall coverings. Floral light brown. That's what I think I want. It pops it up over here. What if this was not what I wanted? Well, just click here again. And let's say maybe I want floral white instead. Click on that. And now I can see what it's doing over there. I like that one. And I'm going to close this window and apply. And now the one that says wallpaper looks like this. Let me add one more. I'm going to do paint. Here's my new one that it just did. Paint. Click here to get my choice of paints over here. Look, there's my paint. It doesn't give me a whole lot of options, so you can always do something else. Maybe you want to do wall covering. Oh, wall paint. There's a better option. Oh, look at all those crazy colors I can choose from. I want to choose sand. Choose sand. Click the button. Popped it over here for me. There's my appearance of it. Apply. Okay. So you can add as many materials as you need. It doesn't matter if you add extras that you're never going to use, but that's how you add all your materials. We'll do part 2 of how to apply these on the next video.